Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechOps Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect Gmail and Outlook web accounts to the Outlook desktop app. I have already created a Gmail address and Outlook email address. Now we are going to connect both accounts to the Outlook app. First, open the Outlook app on your PC or laptop. The app will ask for an email address. Enter your email address to continue. Next, the app will ask you to sync your Gmail account with Outlook. Click on Continue. You will then be asked to authenticate your account. Click Next, enter your password and click Next again. Gmail will ask you to allow Microsoft apps and services to access your information. Click Continue. Outlook will request permission to access Microsoft services such as your email, Drive, contacts, calendar and profile information. For this video, I am allowing all permissions. Click on Continue. A web browser notification will appear asking you to open the account in Outlook. Click Open in Outlook. Your Gmail address is successfully connected to the Outlook app. Next, to add your Outlook email account, go to navigation pane, click Add Account and enter your email address from the Suggest Accounts. The app will ask a passkey to access your account. Take your mobile phone, open the camera app and scan the QR code. Once scanned, your device will be authenticated. Now both accounts are connected. I will send some few test email from my web email so you can see how everything works inside the Outlook app. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the TechOps Sri Lanka YouTube channel. Thank you.